Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about Global Beauty Care Retinol Makeup Cleansing Wipes. These are meant to be used as a makeup remover. It comes with 30 wipes in the package and it comes in like your typical, I think, wipe package. I believe most wipes come like this. The back of the product gives you a lot of nice information on the product. Gently cleanse away skin impurities trapped within your pores, lift away dead skin cells, and even out skin tone. Pre-moistened wipes are formulated with retinol to help rejuvenate skin texture, minimize wrinkles, restore pH balance, and hydrate your skin. Use daily, morning and night, around eyes, face, and neck area for smoother, firmer, and more radiant skin. I do not use this twice a day. It is a makeup cleansing wipe, so I only use it at the end of the day, at night, when I'm removing my makeup. Because it's a makeup cleansing wipe, I think it's pointless to use it in the morning unless you didn't take your makeup off the night before, in which case you're still only using it once a day. But yeah, so this product, I don't know, I don't think it honestly works very well. First time I used it, the first wipe I pulled out was a little bit on the drier side, so I was already a little bit weary of it. I wasn't sure that it was going to really work, but I decided to keep an open mind and go ahead and try it because there are other ones that I've used that I didn't think were going to work very well because they seemed like they were too dry, but it actually ended up working out really well and I ended up loving it. So I decided to keep an open mind and still use it and just see how it worked, and it just didn't work very well. Usually when I have my makeup on and I use a wipe, I can see like the makeup on the wipe. There's like almost no makeup on this wipe after I used it. So I didn't go in with another wipe or any other kind of cleansing because I wanted to wait until the next morning and kind of see what my skin looked like and see what happened. So I used this and I didn't do anything else. It might have cleaned a little bit. There was a little bit of makeup on the wipe, but just not a lot, not anything that should have been on my face compared to the amount of makeup that I had on and compared to the amount of product I see on other wipes that I use. But I decided to just kind of leave it and see what happened the next morning. So I went to bed, and the next morning I used a different makeup wipe just so that I could see how much makeup was on if there was any makeup on my face from after having used this and then sleeping. And there was still makeup on my face. So this product does not work too well. This line has some products that I really do like a face mask and just like nose strips, things like that, but this is not very great. They do have another makeup cleansing wipe with collagen rather than retinol, so I'm considering trying that one and seeing how it works. Maybe I just got like a bad package that was a little bit dried out to begin with, and they're not all like that. So I may give it another shot, but I'm not very confident in this product. And I mean, it's sealed. It's really got a really good seal on it. I think better seals than like other ones like the Neutrogena wipes that I like. This seal is even better than that one, so in my opinion there's no reason for it to be dried out at all. Like, it's really a good seal, but it is on the drier side. Unfortunately, it just doesn't work as well as it should, in my opinion. However, like I said, the seal works really nicely. It's probably one of the best seal, like, for a seal that's not hard, that's not like hard plastic, it works really well, and I would even almost consider using this as like a refill package, or like using like my Neutrogena ones or any other ones that I have and sticking it in here, because I know for sure that it's not going to get dried out because of that. But so these must have already been kind of on the dried out side when they before they even packaged the product, which is disappointing because like I said, I like other products in this line, but this one just did not do it for me. And now I have like a whole package. I may continue to use it just to like use the whole package out rather than throwing them away. I mean, it worked a little bit because I could see some of it, but maybe I could like go in the morning and just like, maybe I could use this in the morning just to like clear off any like dirt from my skin that might have accumulated overnight. But that's gonna be like the best, I think, the only way that I would use this, because it doesn't really work as far as really effectively removing makeup. But yeah, so that is just what I thought about this product, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.